Projects may soon be a thing of the past in Tharaka Nithi County after a delegation of more than 20 principal secretaries descended on an inspection tour in one of the semi-arid counties in the country. The tour was conducted by the PSs who formed the National Development Technical and Coordination Committee, which is tasked with overseeing the completion of national government projects. Led by its chairman, Interior Principal Secretary Karanja Kibicho, the committee called for a review of laws and regulations guiding the sharing of national revenue and other public resources. The PSs inspected 9 projects.
But they do not know where the shambas in Tharaka are. You wonder how anyone can have a title deed of a land that he does not know. It is the high time we saturated Tharaka with the title deeds to everybody on every piece of land.
Nimeona pahali mirandi iko, lakini 20.6 bilioni ijatumika, bado inaendelea kutumika. Ombi yetu ni kwamba iendelee mpaka ifike mwisho, so that we can have a good legacy for the president.
Nataka kuhakikishia wananchi wa Tharaka Nithi, hatukuwa tumekuja hapa sarakasi. Tumekuja sisi kazi, sisi si wanasiasa, sisi ni watu wa kufanyia rais kazi, na tutafanya kazi ya rais.
A plan by the Ministry of Education